Back when our daughter first wanted to move out of home, we were looking for an investment property. We came looking, we found this one, and it suited perfectly because she was working at Mooloolaba. Our other two children in turn moved in, and it just is a great place to have an investment property. I think we're going to miss the actual locality, like it's just so handy to everything. The plaza's just up the road that way, there's restaurants and surf clubs. Look at it, it's just beautiful.
And Mooloolaba's only 5 minutes, 10 minutes away.
Yeah, we will miss it, but it's time for us to sell up and move on.
As you can see, this is an amazing opportunity in the heart of Alexandra Headland. On behalf of Mark McGill and Amber Worsham Property, we look forward to seeing you soon.